What's good, Airsofters? Double Tap here. In this video I'd like to highlight a rule in Airsoft that a few bad apples in the sport tend to overlook. Let's take a look first at the correct way to respond to a BB striking you. Good job, Diego. Declaration of hit and your status as dead is the correct way to respond. Nothing coming from Nikoi. The most fundamental rule in Airsoft is, of course, you get shot, you're dead. So it's kind of unfortunate that some people go into the sport not understanding the sanctity of that rule. And here we'll see my friend, unfortunately here, Nikoi, I'm sad to say, couldn't bring himself to be honorable in Airsoft, as we'll see. So very clearly my 0.3 gram BB impacts his bare shin, so it's got a sting. And there it is, money shot. And then you can actually see him dancing away as he stumbles in pain. And there you go. Here's a looping video of a cheater dancing. So don't be that guy. Have fun out there, Airsofters. I'll see you on the field. Be honorable. Stay safe. Have fun. Double Tap out.